Hello everyone! Now, another crucial step to make when getting started with Sendr is creating your table, which you're eventually going to connect to a specific template, and then you're going to get the personalized links for each of your leads that you're going to reach out to. So we already have the template, we have a video in it, and we also have the variables. Now it's the high time to create a table. And again, we have a couple of ways of doing that. The first option, uploading a CSV. So if you already have an existing user base that you are going to reach out to, then you can simply use this upload CSV option and you're not going to consume any credits on that. Well, we have some scraping options as well, the LinkedIn post comment scraping and LinkedIn post reaction scraping. So the idea behind this is that you can go ahead to LinkedIn, find the relevant post, copy the post URL here, and it's going to scrape all the contacts that have reacted to this post or have commented on this post. So let's go ahead and see. This is a LinkedIn post. Let's say I want to scrape the reactions of this post. I'm going to copy this link to the post. And I'm going to go ahead with this LinkedIn post reaction scraping tool, paste it here, continue. And as you can see, we have 921 contacts here, just like here. So I'm going to create a table and it's going to be ready within seconds. You can see now. Great. So we have the first name, the last name, the LinkedIn profile URL, the profile picture of the lead, the LinkedIn profile headline, reaction type, LinkedIn post URL. Great. And finally, our lead finder feature, which we introduced recently and which contains 479 million B2B contacts. They're updated every 30 days. So here we have this filter bar, so we can go ahead and exclude some companies. We can specify the company industry, the job title. Let's choose account executive here. And then we can customize the seniority, location. Let's choose Europe here. And then we can also include and exclude some keywords, some skills, the profile industry, LinkedIn profile badge, the company type. We can also include the funding, another great filtering option, and then the number of employees. And let's apply these filters. So I just specified 2 filters, that's why it found this many contacts. But if I click on Save Contacts and set specific amount, I can choose what number of leads I want to save. So let's say I'm going to save 500 leads. And as you can see, it's going to just cost me 125 credits because one contact costs 0.25 credits. So I'm going to continue. Let's name the table and save the contacts. Amazing. So here we have the full name, first name, last name, the job title, the LinkedIn URLs, company website, company industries. So we have this many information. We also need the email addresses. Let's say if you want to do email outreach and not LinkedIn outreach, then for that, we're heading to Data Studio. We're clicking on Find Email Address Enrichment. And the email addresses found with this enrichment are triple verified. So you get very accurate email addresses. So let's click on the next step. We have the company website here. And then let's run this on all the rows. So as you can see, we now have most of the email addresses and you can easily filter those. Let's go ahead and choose Find Email is not empty. And just work with these that have the email addresses, and those that don't, you may later use for LinkedIn outreach. And a quick note to this, the ones that the Find Email Address Enrichment wasn't able to find, they are either not verified or not accurate. This only returns the most accurate email addresses, so your bounce rate is even less than 1% with the email addresses that you receive with our Find Email Address Enrichment. So you can go ahead and safely use the ones that it found.